Today we've got Hands in. He's going to make something really cool. What have you got for us, man?
We're going to make the most ridiculous hot dog you've ever seen.
Oh, man, let's get to it.
Today we're going to make some pork dogs. So we're going to take this beautiful rib loin roast. We're going to start at the ribs here. This gives us a little sharpening. Chasing it down all the way till you get to these feather bones. Just curl it in. Perfect. Save that. Never throw that away. Grab your handy knife and we're going to cut it literally right down the middle. Just like that. Flip it over. Do it again. There we go. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, let's get to the next step, which is the seasoning. Now we're going to put a little bit of our pork privilege on here. A little oil binder. Okay. Spread it out. Hit it hard. Flip it. Hit it hard again. Good, that's lovely. Mix that up. Now I'm going to pre-cook these on the smoker. I got it running about 350. I'm going to put it right on the flame. Get a little char. And then we'll wrap it in bacon. See you in a minute. Okay. Beautiful. Stick it right on there. Just want to get a little color on them. A little sear. And then we'll wrap them in bacon. Let's give these a flip. All right, you made it this far. I'm so proud of you. So proud. We're gonna wrap it in bacon. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Make life easier. Do it again. Do it for the camera this time. Put our strips down. Overlap a little bit. So they stick together. I think the magic number was 4 per dog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Give it a pull. A little stretch. Okay, now we can skewer our dogs. Makes life easier. All right, next step. We are going to season these with Kansas City. This stuff is beauties. Make sure you got a good, give it a little shake. Since we already seasoned the inside of this is we planted it on the one side just to give it a little candy. And once we get that all baked down where we want it, then we're gonna hit it with our Brewer's Blend barbecue sauce, which is also like the best. Wait a minute, it is the best. All right, open this up slowly. There we go. All right, we're gonna do 3 things. Mix the mushrooms and onions. We're gonna add more nacho cheese. You can see the butter coming up to the top. This might create a little bit of a fire, but we're okay with that. Okay, now we're gonna take our Brewer's Blend barbecue sauce and we are going to baste our pork dogs. A little sauce on there. Beautiful. Next, they're cooking down just lovely. There's the flames. Okay, got our mushrooms and onions. We have our molten lava cheese. Okay, let's put this together. We're going to start with this smaller one here. Take a look at that. All right, now we're going to take some mushrooms and onions. Put a little bit on that side, a little bit on this side. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, we're not done yet. Now that is a game time dog. Look at that. Beauties. Since you're standing there, let's take a slice of one of these. Pig dogs. Look at the juice on that. All moist. A little smoke ring. I think it's time to eat. I don't know about you. Well, this is the part where the Pitmaster is going to eat in front of you. And I do apologize. Here we go. The old stoop. That's so good. Let's cut this in half. See what we're talking about. Just like that. Wow, that's good. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pet, check out barbecuepitboys.com. Go eat in there. It's freezing. Wow, it's cold.